'cause we like to party.
YouTube, it is your girl Darty here. Welcome to my channel. I am so happy you decided to stop by to click on this video. Hope you guys enjoy my channel. Y'all follow me on all my social medias, y'all. I never promote my social media, but I need to start doing that a little bit more. So y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at lifewithDarty. Okay, no underscores, no nothing. And also follow my Twitter at dart_Trice. And if you want to add me on Snapchat, it is Tricebvby. All my social medias are linked down below and at the end of the video. And yeah, just follow your girl, okay? And so for today's video, I'll be teaching y'all how I do my thumbnails. I got this video request. I was supposed to have been did this video, but we're here today. So that's the video we're gonna be doing today. And next y'all gonna see is a screen recording. Alright y'all, so these are all of my YouTube apps that I do use. So today we will be using PicsArt. And you're going to go down to that purple plus button. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to a colored background. We're just going to be using black today. Very simple. And as you can see from the bottom, that is everything that you can use to work with. And next up, we're going to go to the color of it. And the thing I like about PicsArt is that you can make it the ratio of a YouTube thumbnail. So that is good. And then we're gonna type, and we're gonna title this thing, okay? So how to make thumbnails on your phone. And as you can see, you have like all different types of fonts at the bottom that you can choose from. Now I'm just sizing it up. So you do have multiple fonts that you can use. You can switch up your fonts, use different fonts and stuff like that. You can use a font for every word. It just depends on how you like your thumbnails. For the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to be using this text because this is one of my favorite texts. And this is text that I mostly use in my thumbnails. And yeah, we're going to be using that. And then I'll be changing the color of it. I went to black and then I did a white border because as you can see from my thumbnails, that's what I like. Or I do a white with a black border. So then we're just gonna size that thing on up, okay? So then we're gonna go back into my pictures and we're gonna pick them 3 pictures. So those are gonna be in the thumbnail. So all I am doing right now is sizing it up. And I did use the PicsArt logo that you can just find on YouTube. Find on Google. And the phones you can find on Google as well. So yeah, now we're just sizing it up. And also one of my favorite things on here is the stickers. Because they have different stickers that you can use. For today, I'm going to just be typing in YouTube just so y'all can see the type of stickers that they do have. So I think I chose the subscribe button. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the subscribe button for today's video. So we're gonna size that thing on up, and then at the top we're gonna put apply, which applies everything onto the thumbnail. So yeah, y'all, that is the thumbnail. Now you can just save it, and now it will be waiting in your camera roll for you. So now we're just going into my camera roll and I'm just going to show y'all how the thumbnail came out and how it looks. Hopefully this video is helpful for y'all. Hopefully I get like kind of idea of how I create my thumbnails. My thumbnails are pretty simple, really easy to do. To be honest, I really don't do a lot in my thumbnails. I need to work on my thumbnails actually. But y'all requested the video, so y'all know I'm going to come through with the video. If you have any more questions about how I maybe did a certain thumbnail, just let me know down below in the comments, or you can DM me. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to be notified when I post a video. And remember to live your best life. And I'm out. Peace.
We like to party.